Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Shopify Payments from affiliate store commissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your affiliate store commissions using Shopify Payments, start by logging into your Once you are logged in, locate the settings option on the bottom left of the screen. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find and select Payments to manage your payment options. Make sure Shopify Payments is enabled as your primary payment provider. If it's not enabled, follow the prompts to set it up. Next, navigate to the Payouts section within the Payments settings. Here, you will see an overview of your payouts from Shopify Payments. Check the payout schedule to understand when funds will be available for withdrawal. To initiate a withdrawal, go back to the Shopify admin panel. Click on Orders in the left-hand menu to see your sales history. Review your recent transactions to confirm the commissions you've earned. Once you have verified your earnings, return to the Payouts section. Click on the Transfer button to withdraw your funds. Follow the prompts to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your preferred bank account for the transfer if you have multiple accounts linked. Confirm the withdrawal amount and details for accuracy. Complete the process by clicking on the Submit button to finalize your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating your withdrawal has been processed. Monitor your email for updates on your payout status. Once the funds are transferred, they will appear in your bank account according to the payout schedule. For further assistance, refer to the Shopify Help Center for troubleshooting tips and FAQs. Make sure to keep track of your commissions and payouts regularly to stay informed about your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.